Hi guys, today I will explain how to purchase Tron in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy, and the first thing is open the application. Once it will be open, this one is the homepage of Trust Wallet, and if we scroll down, you will see multiple cryptos are added in my list. And here you can see the exact crypto Tron, and if I click on it, here you will see the option of purchase. But before purchasing, make sure the Tron is added in your list, and if it is not, then click on this arrow and scroll down to the last. And here, you have to click on this option, Manage Crypto. Once you will click on it, all the list of cryptos which are available in Trust Wallet will be shown. And also, you can get the help of the search bar by clicking on it. And write the name. We need to enter USDT, and you will find USDT Tron. You have to toggle it to turn it on. Once it will be on, let's go back to our home page. Now, we want to buy it. So, click on it. And here's the exact option. Click on it. Here you have to do few more things. The first thing is you can also change the currency by clicking on this flag icon, which is on the right top. And here's the same thing. Like, you can also search for your own currency. And if you found without searching, then it will be more good. Once you see, click on that currency, and then enter the amount on which you want to buy the Tron. And the last thing is, you can also change the payment method by clicking on this credit card, and here enter that method, which is more easy and convenient for you. Once you choose everything, let's go back. And the last thing is, click on this option, Buy with credit card. Once you will click on it, then your order will be in queue, and within a few minutes you will buy TRC20 from Trust Wallet. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.